Hi team, about data engineering. Subject of today is the unstructured data, and we will see the case of PDF invoices to be loaded and parsed in Snowflake using Java and using Python. So let's start. So Snowflake capabilities to manage unstructured data. Here in this scope of the demo, we will access PDF invoices in S3 bucket. We need to extract the text, and then we need to parse the text, the required fields from these texts. We will use the user-defined function in Python and Java, and this is the quick start for data engineering. But since I covered the data engineering in previous video, I will only focus on the load of unstructured data, which is PDF invoices. So here the workflow, we have the same steps done with Python and Java, and finally we get the same result. We create a Python UDF, we extract the text from Python, then we need to create a table to store the text. Finally, we need to parse the fields from these texts and query the data using a view, and we create a simple dashboard and tiles in Snowsite. So we have, as usual, Snowflake setup to create the role, the database, and here it is important to create external stage based on S3 with the directory enable equal to true. Here the Python UDF is mainly using PyPDF2 package, which is very important to convert the PDF to the text. So, and when we call here the Python UDF, we see that the content of the file, the PDF file, is extracted all in one row, and it is text format. Here it is the same functionality, but we are using Java. So the people who are familiar with Java will use Java, and who are familiar with Python, I feel comfortable with Python, so I will use Python, but I create also the user-defined function for Java. Here we do a call to the procedure, and we have the same result. We filter for invoice 1. Here we create a table with raw data using this syntax. Here we create a view. The view will parse the text into fields using the Java table. We query view data. Here we see that the text is parsed in invoice number, balance due, invoice from, all the required fields. Here we create the same aspect with Python. We create a view with raw text, then query the view, and we will see the same result. Here we explore the invoice data. So here we do some indicator just to see the content, and if you have a number of files, you can see this BI indicator. Here we analyze the data using Snowsites. So we create a dashboard with tiles. Here we have costs by item. We have the graph for costs by item, and we have also a graph for costs by month. So let's go to the demo, but first I want to show you the content here. We have the text from the parsed file, the PDF file, sorry. We have the group here, invoice, balance due, and we have the content. And here on the right, we have all is extracted in text format. And finally, when we create the view, we parse all the content, and you see that is perfect match. So here we have 3 lines, and here we have 3 lines with the balance due, invoice from, invoice date, item quantity, and all the required, and is so easy to extract the content of PDF unstructured data and load it in Snowflake table and analyze the content. Maybe you can just automate that with tasks and Snowpipe auto ingest for the files at source. So for the demo, it is so simple. Just here we create the database, all is done. Here we have stage based on S3. If we list the content of the stage, see here that PDFs that use. Here the same code I do copy and paste for Java to create the function. And for Java, we are using some classes like PDF text stripper, and the people who are expert with Java know exactly these classes and IO file, IO stream. So once created, we do a call to test the function. See that the text here is parsed, but it is one block. We have an external stage here, just with the jar file required with the Java user-defined function. So I already create that. So here we test so the Java procedure. Here we create a table just to take the raw data and do the parse with a call to the user-defined function. So here we have the relative path, and here we have the parse text. All the fields are in one block. Then we create the view. So we did the same procedure for Python and for Java. I will focus on Python here. Here we create the table. The table will use the procedure call, and we build the scope file URL. It's a file URL, and then we have the parse text here. So next, we'll see to create a view. So here we regex substr, and we use the regular expression for that, and to parse each portion of the text to the target item. This is line view, and here if we try to just filter from the view using the invoice number is equal to 1, we will see that we have here the required item parsed as expected. So we can now query the data. So here we have summary of items, quantity, and here we have the item name. Here I think of the cost. We have item same from and then I want to show one important feature that is available. Here I can copy files from, I create an internal stage and I copied files from the external stage to the internal stage. It is very simple. So we don't need any upload and download. It is copy as simple as that. Just you use the source stage and the target stage, and all is done perfect. So here we have the total quantity, but here from the Python uh, uh, table. Here we have dashboard project. This is a new Y for snow site. Have the dashboards, and our dashboard named invoice analysis. So we see here that cost by item, cost by item graph, and here we have cost by month. So as you see, it is so simple. We can also use BI tools such Power BI or Tableau, or we can also present that with the Streamlit. It is so simple to just extract unstructured data and fetch them into Snowflake and consume them and take the right decision. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.